Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something new and different. So new and different that it slipped past me and I didn't even know it existed until the other day. So exciting that Mike Piazza came out to watch. He said, hey y'all, what's up? It's me with my trademark swing. Whee! And then little Mike Piazza came too. I can't find his hat. I need to find his hat. Although his hair's on point. I mean, it's on fleek. Look at it. But I still need his hat. So anyways, sit over there, Mike. Just chill out. So every card in this box... Oh, sorry about the band-aid. I cut my finger. I think every card in the box is like a special refractor looking parallel. I looked at a few of the cards on eBay. They looked kind of... not like an atomic refractor. It looked kind of cracked ice-ish to me. You can get orange, purple parallel, red, superfractor. You get one autograph. The autos come in parallels. Obviously, my hope, there's only 32 cards in here. My hope is that one of those 32 cards is a good rookie like Mr. Alonso there or Vlad Jr. there. But yeah, any of the better stars is also good because, I mean, these are something new and different. It's not something that everybody's going to be buying. When regular Topps Chrome hits the market, everybody and their brother buys a box. Not everybody's going to have a box of this. So that is why I made a purchase. Would be nice at its price point for it to have 2 autographs, but you know how stingy they are with autographs. So the autograph is a rookie auto too, so we could potentially get something really nice out of here. Scoot over, Mike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 packs. There they are. It's what it looks like. A really nice pack. It's gorgeous. Alright, let's get into one of these. There it is. Yeah, it looks very much like a cracked ice from Panini. Sweet looking cards. There is, also we have a parallel. Johan Carmaggio looks to be red. Holy smokes, it's numbered out of 5. So 4 out of 5. Super short print. Nice. And there is Nunez. So as far as the players in that pack, weren't the best players. But I mean, a super short print is always nice to get. Alright. Jose Brasino. Delmonico. There's Kyle Tucker rookie. That's not bad. I like him a lot. And Kyle Seager. Andrew Chafin. There is my autograph. Kevin Kramer. Not the best, not the worst. Kind of somewhere there in the middle. On card auto. I was hoping that for a parallel version that would have been nice, but you get what you get. Brett Gardner and Nick Birdie rookie. That's a good looking card there. Carrasco, Doolittle, Pettit, and D. Gordon. Yeah, definitely not getting any like stars. Wow. I don't know if they're like tough to come by or what's going on. Ugh. Yeah, people like Pavetta. What? Who? Chris Davis. They're sure there. His stock may rise a little bit. Alright. Lauer, Yelich, league leaders, Alex Gordon, and Baruki rookie. Peralta, Calhoun. Some of these cards look better than others. Seems like the ones with the dark background look better. Pointer rookie and De Los Santos rookie. Alright, last pack. I'm going to call this box a bust. Seriously. Justin Turner. Lou Trevino orange. That is out of 25. Actually, the first one. 1 out of 25. JD Martinez and Starling Marte. Yeah, that kind of was Stinksville, especially for what it costs. Woof. I mean, granted, all these cards, like I said, are special. Not everybody's going to have these. They're pretty well put together on a, not thick stock, but they feel solid. But, wow, I didn't get, like, you know, a Mike Trout or, I mean, nothing. Just some of the lower tier rookies. No Aaron Judge, no Acuna, no Bellinger. Wow, that was pretty brutal. Thanks, Tops. Good job. Appreciate you. Alright, well, you live and you learn. I understand at this point that's how the game works. Everybody take care. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll be back with you again soon.